Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you the process of bringing back to life your sofas. I bought these recliners like 2019, five or 6 years ago, but now they are worn out. They need some repairs, so I had to invite some experts. So watch the video up to the end so that you can see the whole process. This is before the repairs were done. To the end of the video, you'll see how the sofas now look like. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, like, and also comment. If this video will be helpful, you can leave a comment. So guys, this is the final result. You can see now the seats look so nice. They are very comfortable, by the way. You don't need to throw away that sofa. You can refurbish it and it look just like it's brand new.